Indian carpets are well known worldwide for their exotic designs, and it takes months together for skilled hands to produce an art piece of hand knotted carpet. To understand the whole process of hand knotted carpet manufacturing, we will start with the procurement of raw material. The best quality of raw material is obtained from New Zealand and Bikaner, India. It is then cleaned and sorted. The dirt is removed and the wool is separated by a wooden hand carding machine. Then the wool is piled up by expert eyes according to its quality and color. Thereafter, it is sent for the carding process through carding machine. In this machine, the wool is cleaned, separated, processed, and finally turned into thick strips of yarn bundles. These yarns are converted into hand spun threads by hand spinning wheel as well as spinning machines. But the demand of hand spun yarns are more as it give uneven texture and best quality, which is also the preference of the consumer. These hand spun thread hanks are then dyed in dyeing machine and boilers to get the desired color. After dyeing, they are left to dry in the sun. These dyed hanks are turned into thread bundles for weaving. Before weaving, the design is prepared on the computer and printed on the graph paper for the weavers to consult. The preparation of warp threads is done to make the loom ready. The graph paper is kept in front by the weavers at the time of weaving, and weaving is started according to the color and design in the graph paper. Keep tying one knot after the other for months together is not an easy task. It is the tedious process among all the carpet manufacturing processes. An average size carpet takes 6 to 8 months to be completed. The larger the size, more time it takes to complete. The extra length of pile is trimmed through a trimming machine and required length of pile is obtained. After that, the carpet is washed properly and tied to the iron frame if it has to be resized. Finishing is the next step where the designing is given the final look. Unwanted threads are removed, and if the design demands the embossed effect, the carpet is finished accordingly, where the layer of wool is kept lower than the level of the silk layer, which give the embossed effect. Fringes are trimmed at the same time. The carpet from backside is also cleaned by burning the extra and unwanted threads. This process is called sizing. Thereafter, if the consumer demands the strap of company name, it is sewed at the edge of the carpet. Then they are rolled, packed for the shipping. And the process is completed.